I've been releasing a lot of videos today, but lately, a lot of shorts and stuff. But here is the reminder. Tomorrow afternoon is our second week of Monday Trains Live. I believe I'm going to be trying to start it an hour early. Right now, my mom only has one music lesson she teaches on Monday, so she's likely to get home at 3, which is the time that I started streaming last week. So you might see me live at 2. It might be 3. It might be 2:30. It might be any time between 2 and 3. But there will be a live stream tomorrow at some point. I do not have any projects to do. All those cars that I did in the last stream, they're working fine. I had 2 more that I needed to fix. I fixed them off camera. I couldn't find them when I was streaming, but I found them and fixed them off camera. So this week it's probably going to be a discussion on railroads. History of railroads. I bought 3 new books. I have the books that I was showing at the end of last stream, and we'll just hang out and talk. I have 3 moderators right now. James Galton, Dwight Curley, and Trackside Mike are moderators. I made them moderators from the replay of last week's stream. So we have some moderators in case we have some bots come in. Hopefully we won't have bots, and hopefully the moderators are able to be there. But we'll see. So somewhere between 2 and 3, I will be going live tomorrow. And just be talking trains. So we'll see you then. And remember, there's over 370, I think there's 375 videos on the channel. Go watch them all. If you watch them again. Like, comment, subscribe. I might be going to a train show next weekend. I don't know. We'll discuss that on the stream maybe. See you later. From CP Silver Springs, milepost 368 of the Norfolk Southern Tier line. Keep on loving trains. Tim out.